Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Happy birthday, Heidi at Skull Lover Nails. This is an Instagram collaboration hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s and painted by Pinky. Our theme was skulls and water marble. It's going to be fun. I've got on some painted desert medium square natural nails. I've applied a low and away to all of my nails, just a base coat. And here is Bases Loaded Lacquer Shut Out. This is going to make those colors pop. I don't always do this when I water marble, but I wanted this one to be spot on. So we're going in with the white. Shut Out is a one coat white. It water marbles, it stamps, but it is an amazing polish to use under your water marble, especially if you're using like neons. So there we go. Got a little bit of a mess. And this is how we're going to clean it up today. We're going to go in with our cleanup brush and some acetone. Excuse me. And we're just going to tidy that up just a little bit. And I know you're thinking, why are you getting so silly on it, Tina? Because, you know, you're fixing water marble. But that's how I do. So I'm going to top this with some I&Ms out the door. I'm going to dry down before I water marble. Capping that free edge. I'll be using Adored Colors, and this is Protect Me, the liquid latex. This is going to go around my digits and some tape. So long as I remember, because you guys have watched before where I totally mess up, and we might do it again. I've got some toothpicks and just regular water. This is On the List by Pipe Dream Polish and Happy Hour. Those are going to be my two water marbling colors today. So I am using Miss Colette's tape and latex trick so that, you know, I can do the tape and it comes off easy, and then the latex should too. So here we go. We've got my tape on there, and now we're going to go in with the latex, the Protect Me by Adored Colors. I really do like this liquid latex. It's working out really well for me. You guys have watched me struggle with some before. Alright, so here we go. Just room temperature, regular water. I put the first drop in and run a toothpick around the edge to spread the color all the way to the edge. And now we're just going to alternate between the colors until I get the bullseye that I want and need for this here manicure. I'm so excited about this. Heidi is the queen of water marble next to Colette. I see her postings on Instagram all the time, and I'm blown away. Alright, so I'm pretty happy with that. So here we go. We're going to start drawing up to the top, down to the bottom, out to the sides, and then we're going to bring the sides into the middle. And now let's do some swirling, twirling. I'm starting on the outside of the cup and working my way into the center, and then dip down. And here we go. Line it up, dip. I pinch the cup between my finger and my thumb to make sure I don't knock it over. As you guys know, I'm graceful like that. Cleaning up the top of that water, getting all that excess polish out of there. And gonna get the cup out of my way and get this stuff off. Hi Woody, how you doing? So I'm gonna run Woody around the edge of my nails to make sure to break that seal in case there's any polish that's stuck. And then using my tweezers, I'm removing my tape and my latex. So there we go. And here we go again. I'm holding my hand up because the air conditioner was on, blowing, and I didn't want it blowing across my cup because that'll dry it out. It's like me standing over it, blowing on it. So I got my hand out there. So just pardon that. Just want to let y'all know what I was doing. I didn't want y'all to think I was having me some kind of incident or anything. So we're building up another bullseye. I'm going to draw in another design. And while we're doing this, I want to let you know that down in the comments, or down in, not the comments, the description box, I will have a link to the hashtag on Instagram, and also a list of all the other participants that are helping Miss Heidi celebrate her birthday and doing manicures in her honor. I'd love for you to go check them out. Wonderful, wonderful ladies out there wishing another nail junkie a happy, happy birthday. We like to support each other. And I'd like you guys to go check it out too. Oh, I put my finger in that drop. Ugh, goofy girl. Alright, here we go. We're going to dip again. And clean the top of that water up. And we're not done after the water marble. No, because it's skulls and water marble. So we're going to do all of it. There we go. Same thing, we're going to break that seal just in case there's anything connected. I don't want to pull that off or mess up what's on my nail. And then we're going to get this here tape and latex off. I know I make it look harder than it has to. Alright, so we're going to top these with I&Ms out the door and get them to dry down. Now, in real life, these colors are much brighter. I think my lighting is washing them out, but hopefully you'll be able to see, you know, more true color here at some point. And there you go. There's my swatch photo of the water marble. I'll be using Beauty Big Bang XL018 Bases Loaded Lacquer on the black, H. La Cosadora scraper, and a cube stamper from Maniology. And I'm just going to pick some images, some skull images off of this plate. It's got plenty of them to pick from. Probably one of my favorite plates. Very, very cute designs. Let that water marble peek out from under all these skulls. I do clean my stamper off on a lint roller, and the plate, when I get around to it, will get cleaned with pure acetone. But right now, we're still playing. Not time for cleanup just yet. Roll and pick that image up, and then plop it on the nail. I'm really in love with these. When I was trying to pick out my swatch photo, I was having trouble because I loved all of them. They were so pretty. I just really, really was digging it. And it's so perfect for Heidi's birthday. Skull Lover Nails. There we go. Out of frame. There we go. Give you a little peek-see. I didn't even hesitate when they invited me, when Tinkerbell and Painted by Pinky invited me to do this collab. I didn't hesitate. I jumped right on it because I knew I wanted to be a part of this. And once again, I do love doing these collabs. I love seeing all the other manicures, how everybody interprets the prompt. Going in with piece of tape, get some of this off of my skin, some of this extra polish up. Not too bad. Not too bad of a mess. And I also, excuse me, I also enjoy having some prompts. Because sometimes I sit down and I think, well, what am I going to do? I don't have an idea. But if they've given me a theme, I've got something to, you know, a starting point. So that's another reason why I really enjoy the collabs. And mostly I enjoy that we're getting to celebrate with our friends. All right, one more. Here we go. One last stamping image, and then we'll be done. Had to be careful with that one. It had a whole lot of open space to it. I don't want to gouge the polish out of it and mess it up. So here we go. Get in frame, Tina. Alright. I'm going to clean this plate off with pure acetone and wipe it down with a lint-free wipe. And then clean my little mat. There we go. I'm going to top these with the Maniology smudge-free top coat. I love these. So much fun. Dig it, dig it. And once that's totally dry, I'm going to top them with the Posh top coat. seal them in and enjoy them for a few days. This was so much fun. So I do hope y'all go check out all the other manicures over there on the Instagram. And leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about these funky nails. I always love hearing from you. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.